Global Automotive, LLC is pleased to be currently offering this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDLS with 97,320 miles. This beautiful black Silverado 2500 HDLS qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Just say "Show me the Carfax" and Global Automotive, LLC will provide the history report for free. This four-wheel drive equipped Chevrolet will handle beautifully on any terrain and in any weather condition you may find yourself in. The benefits of driving a four-wheel drive vehicle, such as the Silverado 2500 HDLS, include superior acceleration, improved steering, and increased traction and stability. At Global Automotive, LLC, we strive to provide pre-owned vehicles that don't have a pre-owned feel. This Silverado 2500 HDLS allows you to enjoy a well-kept, spotless vehicle, as clean as